Hi, Mike Bath with BK Technologies here. Recently, we've had reports of BK system keys not loading in Windows 11. In this video, I'd like to share with you how to resolve this issue. First, let me begin by demonstrating the issue. In Res, you'll go to Tools, System Keys, Load USB Key. You'll select this and nothing will happen. In rare instances, you may get some kind of error, but most of the time, nothing. Now, Windows 11 does show the system key drive with all of the files on it. So there appears to be no issue between the operating system and the key. It's purely with Res interfacing with the OS. To fix this, we can simply copy and paste a simple command into a admin PowerShell window. I'll put that command in the video description. It'll also be shown on screen here. We'll copy and paste this, right-click on our Start menu, and access a Windows PowerShell admin. Once you approve the UASC prompt, you have this PowerShell, and you just paste in your command quite simply. This process can take some time. You will have to have an active internet connection and an active network connection to the WSUS if you have that kind of control within your network. I've seen this take anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes. It all depends on the speed of your internet connection for Windows to download this feature. We'll speed that up here. Now that our operation is completed, we can return to Res and load our system key. Tools, System Keys, Load USB Key. Master system key loaded. From here, I'm free to add my trunking systems. That concludes this video, and that should resolve any system key issues you have. If you have any questions, as always, please feel free to give our customer service line a call, and they'll be happy to walk you through anything you need. Have a great day.